Actually really curious what's gonna happen overnight, because they said no overnight parking. That was security already. Where the spoons are, all the way in the back again. Oh, it's an official license plate from the Northwest Territories. It's gonna be just me, you, and the bears. So this is gonna be the bear cam. That's Beluga right there. It's my favorite kind of threesome. It's my expedition vehicle, my home, and my daily driver. And today we're gonna be stealth camping in plain sight, pretty much. And got an upgrade. Got these little yellow fog lights from my friend Jimmy. It's just a PPF like kind of wrap right here. It's not great, but it looks a little bit scary, intimidating. All right, let's go camp in there. So this is the anti-Karen lock, and this is the J1772 adapter. So with this, you can charge any electric car, and this allows me to charge my Tesla. But it means if the car is locked, somebody can still unplug me, like this. So I have this nifty little, some people call it a ring. It's an anti-Karen lock. You place it right here. And then all you do is plug it in. Oh. And that means that nobody can unplug you at night while you're camping, overlanding. So right now we're getting 32 amps there. It says about 9 hours and 40 minutes to fully charge. And I'm sorry, but my display is in English, Dutch. You see how I confuse myself like that? And we have light. Hallelujah. But we're gonna be cooking up some food in here tonight. I am so psyched to cook again inside. And it's not winter yet, but holy moly. Banff is so full of tourists. Like, I just arrived today and I felt instantly overwhelmed with the amount of people. And even the birds were being hectic, but that's why I wanted to camp on the outskirts in the city, charge for free tonight as we explore Banff tomorrow. But there's no better way to enjoy a meal than, oh jeez, being inside the Tesla. So we're gonna move this seat forward, like that. And then we're gonna lock the car. So seat goes forward. Now, don't think I'm unprepared. There it is. So for dinner, it's gonna be Backpackers Pantry, Pai Thai, 730 calories. We're gonna make this. So it kind of looks like Banff a little bit. I think it's adequate. And it serves two, but we'll only have dinner for myself. What the? Oh. I actually have no idea how much water I need, but we'll see. Looks like a horror movie with this light. But yeah. The sacrifice for stealth camping, right? No, I'm just kidding. I put myself in these situations. Okay. says, read the instructions, remove and discard oxygen absorber, remove peanut butter, add 1/3 cup of 420 milliliters of water, stir well, seal pouch, wait 8 minutes. Okay, so for that I actually have to grab a spoon, and we know where the spoons are. All the way in the back again. Oh. So this is probably one of my favorite items that I have. It's just a spoon, but it's a spatula, an avocado scraper, soup connoisseur. But I'm actually really curious what's gonna happen overnight, because they said no overnight parking, no skateboarding. Okay, I don't think we're skateboarding. Take these out. 400, I have about half a liter of water. Also, if I turn my light off, just like this, it means that somebody's near and I feel unsafe, so I'm turning my light off. But that's just the protocol for tonight. Okay, sounds good. Great plan. We're back. Okay, so I actually have homework to do. So I'm supposed to watch, somebody suggested that I watch The Long Way Down, which Evan McGregor features, but I gotta figure out where I can watch that. Don't really have good data down here, but let's see. So maybe we can accept trial. That was security already. It's only 7:30. No. I'm also trying to figure out a way to watch that right now. But my heart just raced. Oh my God, this is gonna be an eventful night, I think. But food is ready. So let's chow down. Enjoy a good feast.
A few moments later.
We're gonna eat. It's already cold. It's been 51 minutes since I started this prep, but I'm hungry now, which is great. But we're gonna watch The Long Way Up, and let's see if I can actually, that's unfortunate, I can't watch it in the back, but I can watch it up front.
In 2004 and 2007, I did 2 motorcycle trips with my best friend Charlie Berman. We called them Long Way Round and Long Way Down. We wrote across text saying that he'd had a horrendous motorcycle accident. Broken his legs and his pelvis and broken his left wrist. And I think, first of all, we need to figure out the practicalities of going on electric motorcycles. So, devil's advocate, another part of Long...
Videographer struggling here. I also want to give a little bit of an update on the home. So I got this Arctic plate now. It's an official license plate from the Northwest Territories. It's so cool. 1986. I got it from a friend. His name is Stuart, living out of a backpack now in Japan. We met in the Arctic Ocean. What a lad. And it was actually really hard to find these in real life. A lot of locals don't give them away, which I completely understand. It's such a cool little piece, but it's a little decor upgrading the home Beluga. There's nobody here, but kind of want to show you what the outside looks like. See, you don't really see anything. Unless, even here, you can't see nothing. And here looks like car charging. Maybe that's a giveaway. It's like a little coffin. And nobody here. $8:40 right now. Is it 8:40? Yeah, time difference too. It's about 8:40. Tomorrow I'm gonna wake up around 4:30 and drive to Lake Louise and see the sunrise there. And I don't want to pay for entry fee, so we're heading nice and early. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Daddy, I'm afraid. Won't you stay a little while? Keep me safe. There's monsters right outside. Daddy, please don't move. I don't wanna be alone. Cause the second that you're gone, they're gonna know. We didn't get caught. It was interesting. I wasn't on edge either. All night I was kind of relaxed, mellow. But the fact that security guy came by before I went to bed did spike the anxiety just a bit. But we just legit blended in right there. Well, it was kind of cheating because I was charging. But we're not supposed to park there overnight. Anyway, so we're on our way to Lake Louise right now. It's a beautiful dark day right now, and I'm not sure what the sunrise is going to be like. I could be overhyping this, but I've heard really great things, and I'm trying to get into the park before the park rangers wake up, so we don't have to pay the entrance fee. And I kind of want to show you guys my fog lights. Yellow. Beautiful. Big light. So the bear cam is on. We found some bear poop on the trail already. Great way to start a morning, eh? Bear poop. It's gonna be just me, you, and the bears. So this is gonna be the bear cam to make sure that we have a conversation while we're walking up, right? Looks pretty fresh to me. Oh man, I'm nervous now. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a backstory. So, originally, I'm from the Netherlands. And I know I don't look Dutch. I get that every day. I look Spanish, especially with the mustache sometimes. I've lived my whole life outside the Netherlands pretty much. Lived in Panama, Brazil, and now I'm a permanent resident in the United States. Been there for on and off about 10 years. And yeah, that's my life. And now I live in a Tesla. I used to work for Tesla. What a wild journey. All right, we've made it. You made it. Look at that. Wow. I mean, besides the massive hotel, it's beautiful. This is my life. Garage camping and nature.